Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be speaking about a low market cap gaming crypto project called Echelon Prime. This is a very under the radar project. It is backed by Coinbase, and in this video, I'll be explaining why I believe it has the potential to be the next Axie Infinity and reach billions in market cap. So if it does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the end of this video. It's time to get into it and let the gains be with you. So the Echelon Prime token is currently trading for $3.16. It's up 12% on the day, and it has a market cap of $90 million. The circulating supply is 28.5 million tokens out of 111 million, so around 25% of the tokens are in circulation. This is a new coin. It launched on March 1st. As we can see here in the CoinGecko chart, the first price data available was on March 1st of this year. So it's a brand new coin. It's never seen a bull market. That is something that I do like a lot. In terms of where it's traded, you can get this on Coinbase already, all right? Coinbase actually backs this project. We can take a look at the Coinbase NFT Twitter account. And as you see here, they are tweeting, this is their most recent tweet from October 27th, a few days ago. They're tweeting about Parallel TCG and a new anticipated NFT drop. So what is Parallel TCG? Well, I will get into that in just one moment, but I want to highlight the fact that Coinbase does back this project. That is very rare to see with a new gaming token. I'm not sure there are many other new gaming tokens that actually fit this criteria, and this is a big reasoning of my bull case for the Echelon Prime token that I'll be explaining in this video. It's also listed on Bitget, Gate.io, and Bitget, and you can get it on Uniswap or crypto.com. So it's already extremely easily accessible for normal retail investors who don't necessarily have a DeFi wallet, know how to use Uniswap, MetaMask, etc. They can literally just buy it on Coinbase and they can add money to the market cap. So definitely something to keep in mind. The all-time high was $5.68 right after it did launch, and the all-time low was at $1.19. That happened 5 months ago, May 25th of 2023. So what is Echelon Prime? So it is a gaming foundation, essentially. It's a gaming ecosystem, and right now their core game is called Parallel TCG. Parallel TCG is a card game, and it is extremely popular. It has over 150,000 games already played by actual players. As you see right here on YouTube, I searched Parallel TCG, and you can see that a lot of people are actually making content about this game, videos from 1 month ago, 2 months ago. So people are playing this game, they're already making content around it. This is not some concept that is yet to be implemented. This is an already built out game, and it's backed by Coinbase. So for me, I want to pick a winning horse, okay? I want to pick a horse that has the most potential and the most cards aligned, the most perks, the most pros that I think is going to do well in a bull run. And a lot of things already add up with Echelon Prime. And the fact that Parallel TCG is a very popular game already, it's being played, people are making videos about it, people are buying their NFTs on the Coinbase NFT platform. These are all good signs that I look for. So Echelon Prime is the foundation, and the Prime token is the governance token, much like Axie Infinity, and the AXS token is the governance token for that ecosystem, right, for that game. So very similar, that in of itself right there. So as we can see from the Echelon Twitter account, their Twitter account is relatively small. It only has 8,000 followers, and they are very active, mostly just tweeting stuff about their premier game, Parallel TCG. And we can take a look at the Parallel website here. So there's a battle for Earth, they need you. And if you want to get started, just come to the parallel.life website. You can sign up, get some NFTs, collect cards, and then start playing some games if that does interest you. I've watched some gameplay. I haven't played it myself, but it does seem interesting. I'm not necessarily interested in gaming myself. I'm more interested in the investment side of things. But nonetheless, it looked pretty interesting. And like I said, it's already backed by Coinbase NFT, and they tweet about it quite a bit. Right? It's basically the only thing that's been happening since October. The past few months is the Parallel TCG new release, new drop that Coinbase NFT is even endorsing. So that's a very good sign in and of itself. And then the Parallel Twitter account has 143K followers. As you can see, Parallel is a sci-fi world and card game. You can play it on Steam. And these are some pictures of gameplay. As you can see, the prize structure, people are winning the Prime token for winning games. All right, so that is one use case for the token right there on top of governance. It's play to earn. Much like Axie Infinity is, and much like all blockchain games are, play to earn is really a necessity in this ecosystem for it to be successful. People need incentive to move over to Web3 crypto and play these games, and Prime is incentivizing them with their token by winning games in Parallel TCG. Okay, so now that you guys have a better understanding of what the Echelon Prime token is, what the ecosystem is, right? They do plan on having more games in the future. As we can see, Echelon is a platform that enables games to leverage blockchain features. They are advancing Web3 gaming with frictionless and compelling Prime token utility that enhances game experience. Parallel TCG is just the beginning. Build with us and take your game to the next level. So they want people to come and build more games within the Prime or within the Echelon ecosystem. So Parallel TCG is just the start. Now, in terms of the Prime tokenomics, I'll leave this link down in the description below, but most of it is going towards the gameplay pool, the strategic reserves for Parallel Studios. That's the actual company. 16% is going to early investors of the project, and you can see the rest of the distribution here, coming out to 111.111 million tokens, and it's available on Uniswap and Coinbase, as I have already said. And moving on, in terms of the Prime token utility, they have Prime Syncs. Essentially, you can use Prime to get stuff in game, like items or equipment, stuff like that. It's also used for governance, like I have already said, governance proposals and emissionary Prime elections. They also have grants incentivizing people to come and build more games on their ecosystem, on the Echelon ecosystem. So a lot going on here, very under the radar project. I think this one has a lot of potential, under a $100 million market cap. In terms of the price, so this thing is trading for $3.17. I actually talked about this token a few weeks ago, 7 days ago, in my top 3 low cap gem video. At the time, the price was $3.46. And I said, when it goes beneath the range low at $3, that is when I am an interested buyer. Well, lo and behold, what happened? The price went ahead and it sold off below my $3 level, and it spent around 4 days trading beneath $3 with a low at around $2.78. So I actually did go ahead and buy some down here, and I did let everybody inside of my Crypto Empire Premium Discord group know as well that Prime was in the buy zone. As you can see, $2.50 to $3 is a buy zone. So if you don't want to watch the charts yourself and you want to know exactly what I am doing when I am buying and selling, consider joining the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group. You can find the link to it in the description down below. But nonetheless, Prime had a very strong recovery now. It's back above $3. So I was able to top myself up. I don't really need to buy any more of this. I'm all packed for the bull run. If it does go deeper into my buy zones, I will certainly be an interested buyer, as that is where demand, my personal demand, lies, especially around this 200 daily EMA, which is sitting at $2.52. We'll see if it does actually go ahead and test it. But nonetheless, this chart, it broke out above $2. As you can see, it broke out above $2.25. Went vertical. Now it's just been kind of consolidating and went beneath $3 for a period of time over here in October. Pumped. Now it just went beneath $3 again for a few days. It's back inside of the range, right? It's still at the lower end of the range. It still has a market cap of around $90 million. So still a lot of growth potential here. But nonetheless, the lower the market cap, the better. I was able to get this at around an $80 million market cap the other night. So that's going to mean a lot in terms of the multiples if it does do something like Axie Infinity. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about that. So again, my buy levels are very simple. Below $3, I like $3 to $2.50. If it goes down here again beneath $2.25, that would be amazing to go ahead and scoop up some more. Now, Axie Infinity, in the midst of the bull run, at its peak, went to a 10, almost an $11 billion market cap. All right, so if Prime is going to have an Axie Infinity type of run, which is possible, it already has a ton of active game players. People like the game, and it's only set to grow as the bull market does go ahead and kick in. And when gaming takes off, this one's already on Coinbase. It has a lot of less friction than other new gaming coins. So I think it does have the potential to maybe have an Axie type of run. But even if it just does half of what Axie Infinity does and goes to a $5 billion market cap, from the current price, that would be a 55x. And that would take the token price to $175. Now, there will be more inflation because, as you can see, only 26% of the total supply is in circulation right now. So more tokens in circulation will mean that it won't be this high of a price because it will be more diluted. There's still a lot of potential for growth right here on this project. And let's say it does do something like Axie Infinity did last bull run. and it goes to a 10 bill market cap, that would be a 110x from current price. Right. And again, this isn't my buy price. This is higher than my buy price. This is why getting in at a low market cap is so important. I hope it does drop some more so that everybody who's watching this video and doing the research, if they want to, can get in at a low market cap, as low as possible. Everything that I say here is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Really, right now, I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing in the market to prepare for this bull run. So I'm expecting realistically at least something like a 10-20x, but expecting much higher. We'll see how it does go. This is one of the gaming coins I'm holding in my portfolio. I talked about it in my ebook. This is a free ebook I released at the beginning of September, teaching you exactly my strategy on how I'm building my crypto bull run portfolio. If you want this free ebook, check the link down in the description below. And again, if you want to join the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group and get notified when I'm buying and selling anything, you can also find that in the link down in the description below. So in this video, I covered the Echelon Prime Gaming token. This is a very under the radar, lower market cap gaming project that is already backed by Coinbase, already has an established game, already has interested players that are playing it. It's play to earn. And I think the Prime token is poised to do something big in this coming bull run. I want to hear from you now. What do you think about Echelon Prime? Let me know in the comments section down below. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire. If you're new to Crypto Empire, subscribe to the channel right now, like this video, and I'll see you in the next video.